up, you guys? It's your girl Athena, aka Lola. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back. I'm me, Ganan, and for today's video, if you read the title, yes, we're unboxing new jeans, two new albums. Like one of them has Bubble, How Sweet, the other one has Supernatural, I believe, and Right Now. Let's just get this video started, because I know that's what you came here for. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to your girl, because subscribing is completely free. Subscribe to me. I do unboxing of some K-pop albums sometimes. But yeah, let's just get this video started. I have the albums here, and I thought that I was recording when I took off the plastic, so it doesn't have the plastic. Okay, but here they are. Mira esto, qué hermoso. So, I went to I went to Target the other day, and I was randomly going there because I was going there for the Hot Wheel of Joy from Inside Out. Totally found her, but then I went to the section where my boyfriend that has all the albums, because we like to see the little collectibles that the store has. And we went there, and the collectible little place, I turned around and there was albums of K-pop. I forget the Target has a whole section of albums. So fui allí and I saw these, and I'm like, to be honest, I'm a big fan of New Jeans, and I didn't even know these were out already. Mind-blowing, right? So I got this one. My boyfriend picked me this one. Yeah, this one has Supernatural and Right Now, because they collabed with a Japanese artist. I forgot the name, but my boyfriend already knew the name. He told me to get this one, and I know some of them are crossbodies. I don't know what this one is, so let's see. And then we got the other one because I was like, I need those. I need both of them. So I got the one that looks like a vinyl, and it's it's my favorite member. And comment down below if you guys know her name. She starts with an H, and I cannot pronounce her name. What a fan am I? Look at the back. She is so gorgeous, and she's so young, and she's 16. Of course, I will like the youngest members. I don't know why, but she just called to me when I first saw the group, and I was like, I like this. That's my bias right there. So let's open this one. Comment down below if you have New Jeans other albums that come with a purse, and let me know if you guys actually use the bag, because I still have it in a little box that came with it. Oh my god. Let's rip her done. This is where the photo cards are. Where the CD is. Okay. Okay. Ah! What was that? Let me give you a better view of them. Let me just give you a better view of this. Okay guys, let's see the photo cards. I'm mostly excited about this. Oh. Look how pretty she looks. Ah, she looks so cute! Did you see something in the back? There's her name. Hina? I'm butchering her name. I'm not gonna stick with that. It's my bias. Oh my god. How cute. I know everybody, I think, wanted her album of this one. Girl, I got butterfingers. I'm so, oh my god, these are like, and here's my other bias. The photo cards, you guys, are amazing. So this is the first picture that we have right here. Oh my god, everybody looks so beautiful. Look at these two. Oh my god, I really love her with blonde hair, Danila. This is gorgeous. Now let's look at the back. Little postcards. Am I gonna send this to somebody? Obviously not. Obviously not. Here is the other one. Oh my god, they look so gorgeous here. They look really, really good here. Like, look at that. Qué bonito. This one is really, really cute. Look at all of them. I really like her in this wig that they put on her. This one's look pretty. She looks really pretty as a blonde. Oh my god, guys. How cute. Just gorgeous, you guys. Like, look at that. Speechless. That's what I could say. Speechless. Whoa, 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 whoa. Speechless with this album. I'm like speechless, like very speechless, because they look so good right here, you guys. Like, they look amazing. Like, but let's open the CD. I want to know how the CD looks like, you guys, because the back of this looks so cute. How cute! Is this a booklet too? It has like the, oh my god, it has like the lyrics and everything. That is so cute. Let's go to the next one. Let's get into the best one, you guys. I like how it looks like a vinyl. That's how I look like. That's how I look like. I like how it looks like a vinyl, but also like a pizza box. That's what somebody said. That it looks like, but so excited. Comment down below, who is your bias from New Jeans? Let your girl know, because I like to know who's everybody's bias. And it's okay, you can have more than one bias. This is so freaking cute, you guys. That is so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Believe this is where the album is in. Let's. Oh, she looks so pretty in this hair color. Then you get like a book of her, and it says, "Don't you know how sweet? I won't wait. I'm feeling." I love her outfit, and this is all of her. Wait, guys, this is all of her. Show you this one at the last, but we're just seeing. Oh my god, we got some stickers. Oh my god, you know, fun fact, I never use the stickers that comes with albums. I just keep them in the albums. But this is so freaking cute, you guys. She looks so cute. Oh my god, she looks so cute in this hair color. Like, girl, you do not look 16. They look all pretty right here in this postcard. She looks so gorgeous right here. I feel like getting picture frames and just put them on the wall. Because look how gorgeous she is right here. She's gorgeous. Then we have the photo cards here. This picture, I will definitely need a picture frame and put it somewhere in my wall. I kind of want to do like a whole wall of K-pop like I used to have of GOT7. Now I want like of New Jeans and XG. Oh my god, how do I take this one out? This is gorgeous. Look how pretty she looks right here, you guys. Oh my god. Just stop. Just stop. Whoa, this is a big book. I've always wanted to collect like magazines of K-pop artists that come in magazines, but then my boyfriend tells me why. That's just more space that you don't have. But I'm just like, boy, let me be. Let's see the photo cards and who I got as a photo card. So I believe it's gonna be all about her, and I'm kind of like really excited about that. Oh my god, like look at her. She looks so pretty. This is stunning. You guys, I put one just now and one of the bunnies from my other album from New Jeans. I just put this one in my phone case because I thought that was cute. I was like, I need that one in my phone case right now. So this is the picture. Like, look how gorgeous she looks right there. I'm telling you, this red hair of hers is amazing. Like, please dye your hair like this. When I saw this album at Target, I was like, I already know who I'm gonna get because I need to get her. Comment down below if you have the same bias as me, because look how pretty she looks right here. Oh my god, right here. Oh, she is so gorgeous, you guys. Like, this one's really pretty. I just love how old school they're dressing now. Oh my god, my lotion came out. But look at it, you guys. They look all amazing here. I love her with the curly hair. Like, they look all amazing. I just love how the streetwear they're wearing now. It's just, it looks so amazing. Oh my god, this is so cute. my god, you guys, this is amazing. I'm like giving you like, and then the rest are just like, oh my god. This one, oh my god. It looks like a calendar. Oh, but you could like take it off. Like, and put it on your wall. I don't think I'll be doing that with this. Oh my god, look how, oh my god. Oh my god, that is, she looks so amazing in this outfit. That outfit is, oh my god, it looks amazing. Like, look at everybody. Just their streetwear, it looks so gorgeous. That looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute right here. I really like this one. It goes on and on. There's so much. You guys. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. That has been it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below who's your favorite bias from New Jeans. Comment down below also which album do you guys have of New Jeans. And yeah, I still can't believe New Jeans came out with these 2 single albums with just 2 songs each. But you know what? They're collectible items, and I'm trying to collect all the New Jeans albums. I have all of them, except the first one that came with a purse. Now they're selling it for too much because your girl didn't get it when it came out. But it's okay. But that has been it. That has been me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, follow me in all my links down below. Follow me on my Instagrams at bunnyx100 and my makeup page where I post makeup videos I don't post here. I post there at makeupxbunny. Also follow me on my TikTok bunnyx_100. And that has been it, and that has been me, and I'll see you guys next time in the other video. Okay.